Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, catching market reversals at the right moment can completely transform your trading game. But how do you know when a trend is about to reverse? Now in this video, I'm just going to be showing you a simple and effective reversal entry strategy that every trader should master. Okay, these setups work across forex, stocks, and crypto, so make sure you stick around to the end. All right, before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps grow the channel and brings you more expert trading content every day. Now, a reversal happens when the price of an asset changes direction. Right, for example, you can see here we had a buy trend initially, right, bounded by, marked by higher highs and higher lows, and then suddenly we can see that something happened and the structure was broken. We no longer had higher highs and higher lows, and then before you know it, we started having lower highs and lower lows. So we had a reversal from a buy trend to a sell trend. Okay, so instead of continuing up or down, the market shifts, offering traders a chance to enter at the very beginning of a new trend. Now, there are two types of reversals traders look for. The first is the bullish reversal. All right. Bullish reversal occurs when price was in a downtrend before, like we can see in this, in this example. When price was in a downtrend before and then it starts moving up, that's what we call a bullish reversal. Then for a bearish reversal, it happens when price was in an uptrend and then it starts moving down. Okay, so reversals give traders some of the best risk to reward opportunities because you are entering early in a new trend, minimizing risk while maximizing potential movement. Now let's just talk about how to spot high probability reversal entries. Okay, before taking a reversal trade, you need confirmation that the trend is actually shifting. All right, so here are the three key signs to watch for. The first is price approaching key support or resistance. All right, so you should be taking note whenever you notice price approaching a key support or a key resistance zone. Okay, if price approaches these levels and shows signs of struggle, a reversal could be coming. Okay, then secondly, watch out for reversal candlestick patterns. Okay, certain candlestick formations indicate that buyers or sellers are losing control, so you might want to look for patterns like pin bars. Right, remember that pin bars are a candlestick pattern where you have a long wick and then a small body. Right, as the name implies, it's called a pin bar for a reason. You can see something like this, right? And then it's also called a rejection wick, right? So you'll notice rejections. Okay, so you can look for pin bars. A long wick rejecting a level signals a potential reversal. And then you can also look for engulfing candles. A larger candle fully, let's see if we can find one, a larger candle fully engulfing the previous. Okay, you can see an engulfing around here. A larger candle fully covering the previous one shows a strong momentum shift. And then finally, you can watch out for a doji, right? A doji pattern, you can see like this, indicates market indecision. Okay, it often appears before a reversal, right, or before a pullback. Okay, where you have a small body and then wicks on both sides, up and down, right? Then thirdly, let's talk about momentum divergence. Okay, using the RSI or the MACD. Okay, so I'm just going to add RSI to the chart. So if price makes a higher high, for example, if price makes a higher high, you can see what happened here. And then you have the indicator, your MACD or your RSI, depending on the one that you are using. You have the indicator making lower highs. You can see it was higher highs and this was lower highs. So it shows in such situation, it shows that there is weakening momentum and a possible reversal. Okay, and you can see shortly afterwards we had a reversal to the downside. So now that we know how to spot reversals, let's dive into the best entry strategies. So here are three simple but powerful ways to enter reversal trades with confidence. All right. The first is support and resistance reversal entry. Okay, so you wait for price to approach a strong support or resistance level. Then you look for rejection candles. All right, look for rejection candles like pin bars or engulfing patterns. Basically, any reversal candlestick pattern that you can find around those key levels. Then you enter with confirmation from volume or momentum indicators. All right. So after you have done that, you set your stop loss and you take profits accordingly. Okay. Then in terms of trend line breaks. Okay, we also have the trend line break reversal. So you have to draw your trend lines, obviously. Yeah, after you draw your trend line following the current trend, then you wait for price to break. There has to be a break of the trend line. You can see initially price was just bouncing within this trend line, and then we had a break outside the trend line. So you have to wait for that break, whether it's a bullish trend or a bearish trend. You have to wait for that break and then wait for a retest. You can see we had a retest here. You can see we had a retest here right after the break. So after your break and retest happens, then you enter when a strong rejection candle forms after the retest. Okay. Then finally, the double top and double bottom strategy. Let's talk about the double top and double bottom strategy. Okay. Now a double top signals, you can see we have a double top around here. It signals a bearish reversal, while a double bottom signifies a bullish reversal. Okay, double bottom signifies a bullish reversal. Now you enter when price breaks the neckline with momentum. Neckline is the lowest point between the double tops or the lowest point between the double bottom. Okay, then you use a stop loss just beyond the last swing high or low. So if you are entering a sell right after the break of the neckline, you can set your stop loss right above the resistance. Okay, then in the case of a buy, you can set your stop loss right below the support. All right, now these setups work well on Forex, stocks, and crypto, especially on higher time frames for more reliable signals. Now, no matter how good a reversal setup looks like, risk management is key. Here's how to protect your capital. Okay, first of all, ensure that you use a stop loss. Okay, set it beyond the previous high or low. Okay, it doesn't have to be very, very close to it. Just give some breathing space. All right, then avoid entering too early. Okay, wait for clear confirmation before entering a trade to reduce false signals. Also, use a good risk to reward ratio. Aim for at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio for sustainable growth. Meaning, if you are risking $1, your potential profit should be at least $2. All right, and do not chase trades. If you miss an entry, wait for the next opportunity instead of forcing a trade. Okay, so following these rules will keep your trading account safe while allowing you to capitalize on strong reversal moves. All right, now before you go, here are some mistakes to avoid when trading reversals. The first is falling for fake outs. Reversals don't happen instantly. Okay, so always wait for confirmation before entering. All right, it's very important. Secondly, do not ignore volume and momentum. If volume is weak, you can actually decide to add the volumes indicator so that you can confirm, volumes. All right, if volume is weak, the reversal might not be strong enough to continue, right? But if you have a rising volume, it could signify a valid reversal. Okay, and then do not overtrade reversals. Okay, not every small pullback is a trend change. Okay, be patient and only trade strong setups. Do not mistake a pullback for a reversal. Okay, in a trending market, there are pullbacks. Okay, there are pullbacks in trending markets. Okay, so do not misplace a trending or rather a pullback for a reversal. Okay, reversal usually happens when there is a break of market structure. So if you are having higher highs and higher lows, and then you notice that suddenly we have a lower low, right, then it shows that there's a break of market structure. And then always ensure that you have a retest, before entering, a retest and a continuation before you enter in the direction of the breakout. Okay. So if you avoid all these mistakes, you'll dramatically improve your success rate with reversals. Now you know exactly how to master reversal entries and trade like a top trader. Reversal setups are some of the best trading opportunities when done correctly. So take your time, practice, and stay disciplined. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more expert trading strategies, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Drop a comment below. What is your favorite reversal trading setup? Let us discuss. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.